Brunswickers, what do we have if you got like a 10 or 15-year-old central heating system?
Yeah, if you have one of these old monsters, you can actually upgrade and get into a new cold climate central heating pump, and you can get some crazy incentives. You can get $5,000 back from the federal government and $1,500 from the provincial government.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
Nobody wants a monster. Check them out.
except for a green monster.
I'm the one who should have thought
Sorry.
of that. So New Brunswickers, check it out.